In today's video, I'll be talking about the best electric screwdrivers that are handy and accessible in the market easily. A handy screwdriver is an essential tool to fill up your toolbox either at your workshop or at your home garage. Traditional power tools might not aid when completing light-duty tasks, therefore, an electric screwdriver comes in handy in such circumstances. An electric screwdriver serves to be a helpful tool for both professionals and beginners. All the products listed in this video are shown based on personal use, durability, good quality, and positive feedback comments. If you're interested to know more details about the products, click the link below the product. And if you like my video, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 5. SKIL 4V Cordless Screwdriver. SKIL Cordless Charger is a handy electric screwdriver since it has a small size with compact style. The electric screwdriver is only 6 inches lengthwise and can be placed inside the pockets to carry around. For light work, the SKIL screwdriver is best for use. With a small size, it has an elongated trigger, making it pretty comfortable to carry around, and with this size, you can keep it inside your kitchen drawer or workshop toolbox. There are no speed variables associated with it, so it works on one speed and treats small objects that require less manipulation. One of the amazing features associated with the SKIL screwdriver is that it has an inbuilt circuit sensor technology and has the potential to detect electricity in the switch or circuits. The screwdriver is also used easily with rotation of single color, so you can go forwards and reverse. Also, if you're working on a small object and under dark vicinity, the screwdriver has LED lights that brighten up the working area. Another important feature that makes this cordless screwdriver convenient is the incorporation of lithium-ion battery that helps you keep the battery of the electric screwdriver alive for hours or longer duration. Additional features associated with it are that you can easily convert it towards the manual option by simply twisting the automatic spindle lock. The pros associated with the SKIL screwdriver are that it is inexpensive, use of it is very convenient because of the addition of an inbuilt circuit sensor technology and lithium-ion battery. The cons associated with are that it lacks different variables of speed and has lower power as compared to its other models. Number 4. Milwaukee M12 Screwdriver. Next on the list is the all-rounder Milwaukee M12 Screwdriver. Another astounding power tool that must be present in every kitchen drawer or at your workshops. Some people are not comfortable with 4 or 6 volt power, and under such circumstances, Milwaukee 12 volt must do that part. For heavy-duty work, Milwaukee is an ideal choice since it is durable, sturdy, and compact size-wise as well. The features that make it a great option are that it has variable speed options and a range of torque which makes the work capability of the Milwaukee screwdriver even more great and long-lasting. With various speed options, you can complete many heavy loading works. Also, if you have other M12 tools, the addition of this screwdriver can add up to more battery and circuits. Besides the role of doing all the heavy-duty work, the screwdriver has a compact size that allows the user to carry around much easier and without any load issues. Apart from all these features, the screwdriver can be shifted to a manual work platform by simply turning the lock notch or the knob on it. The material which creates the screwdriver is plastic, which proves the fact that the screwdriver is lightweight and can be easily carried around. Next, the color in which the product is available is in red. The voltage at which it works is ideal is 110 volts. The pros associated with the Milwaukee screwdriver are that it has a tool bag attached to it, where you can place it easily with the tool belt, and with the compact size you can place or carry it. The cons related to it are that it comes with no bits and can be a little costly. Number 3. Black & Decker Screwdriver. Moving on with the top choice is the Black + Decker screwdriver that serves dual purposes. It acts as a screwdriver and as a flashlight. Yes, you heard it right. You can use this brand screwdriver as a screwdriver for changing the decor of furniture, and you can also illuminate a dark area with the inbuilt flashlight, as it can also help you in providing sufficient light working on small objects. Not to forget, Black & Decker is a remarkable brand loved by several other people all around the globe. The screwdriver is durable and sturdy and is capable of ticking off the task at a great speed level. It has only a 1-speed option. Another important feature that makes the Black Plus Decker screwdriver a great option is the incorporation of a lithium-ion battery that keeps the screwdriver or the flashlight working for longer periods. The screwdriver is great when it comes to deal with light working objects and has the potential to maximize functionality by switching from straight line to pistol grip. The handle of the screwdriver is long and provides a Rubbermaid grip to take off the work in a much comfortable way. To charge it, you can either plug the charger into the circuit or simply use a USB charging port. The pros associated with it are related to its ability to show versatility, as it can be used as a screwdriver and as a flashlight to complete work immediately. The screwdriver is convenient to use because of its long-lasting lithium-ion battery. The cons associated with it are that it works on a single speed and there is no bit storage, but overall it is a great brand to work with. Number 2. Metabo HPT Screwdriver Cordless Kit. Moving towards another great option to work on with is from brand Metabo HPT. The screwdriver from this brand has a compact size and design, as it weighs only 1 pound and has a length of 10.55 inches. The less size and weight make it a great choice to use as in both workshops and house garages. The screwdriver has the potential to work as a manual screwdriver only by turning the lock. The next important feature is that it has maximum functionality by simply transforming it from straight line to the pistol grip. The screwdriver has dual battery protocols associated with it that allow it to work for longer periods. With a single simple switch, you can forward or reverse it easily. The screwdriver has a wide LED light range that allows it to work on small objects by brightening up the workplace. Next, if you want to work with precision, it has 21 clutches with 1 drill setting. And with these options, you can work efficiently and speedy as well. The pros associated with this screwdriver are that it has a wide LED light with a 2-speed working option. You can also convert it to a manual option by simple ways of twisting the lock knob. The cons associated with it is that the directional switch is inconvenient and placed at the wrong place. Number 1. Dewalt 8 volts Max Screwdriver. One of the leading brands so far is the Dewalt brand, and the products that are associated with it are also outstanding and up to the mark. Certain features are not associated with it or are different from the rest of the screwdrivers. But still, it has features that make it a unique choice to work with. Dewalt screwdriver is ideal to work with both heavy and light work protocols. Like others, you can also switch it towards manual use. Not to forget that it does not convert straight grip to pistol grip, and this feature increases its durability. The screwdriver has fewer torque options, but with 8 volts you can double up the power of the motor of a screwdriver. With wide LED you can brighten up the area for great visibility and working condition. The pros associated with it are that it is one of the leading brands and it has a great motor power and great work protocols. It is inexpensive and easily available in the market. The cons associated with it is that it has 2-speed ranges or options, and it is heavy as compared to others above listed. A handy toolbox must include all the essentials in it so that every light and heavy-duty work can be done and ticked easily. Among the essentials that are must inside a toolbox involves an electric screwdriver that helps to hang decor and furniture objects around the walls. Before you decide on purchasing an ideal screwdriver for yourself, it is best to go through the products for saving time and energy. Well, if you liked our video, do subscribe to our channel.